Want faster loading times? Let's optimize hosting your hPanel for maximum performance in under a minute. First, back up your site and create a restore point before changes. Step 1. Enable Lightspeed Cache or the recommended caching plugin. Step 2. Activate gzip compression and Brightly if available. Step 3. Enable HTTP/2 or HTTP/3 and force HTTPS for secure, faster connections. Step 4. Optimize PHP settings. Use the latest PHP version and enable Oak Cache. Step 5. Trim unused plugins. Enable image optimization and turn on lazy loading. Use the hPanel File Manager to remove temporary files and clear the site cache. Now run a performance test to capture baseline metrics for comparison. Watch the before and after. Load time drops, requests shrink, and the overall score rises. Quick recap: caching, compression, HTTP and SSL, PHP tuning, and cleanup. Apply these now. Checklist: backup, enable caching, turn on compression, update PHP, clean files. Go optimize.